Hi students, today we will discuss about NTA UGC NET 2021 date came. Our Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank just announced the date what will be in May 2nd to May 17 in 2021. As you know that in 2020 we wrote one exam due to the COVID, that also in December. In June what are the exam they scheduled, they conducted in the November and December. That's why only this time they announced the exam date little before. So 2020-21 first part of UGC NET NTA UGC NET exam will be from May 2 to 17. So what are the dates they announced? Your date may become as May 2, May 3, May 4, May 5, May 6, May 7, enter week. 8 and 9 it is not there. May 10, 11, 12, 14 and 17. So you will get any of this date you will get. As like before, the exam will be online mode. Timings will be 180 minutes, that means 3 hours. And some people they told that paper 1 hour, paper 2 hour, nothing like that, because previously we got the question in different pattern. Means paper 1 we got the question for 1 hour, when we finished they gave the paper 2 question paper. Now nothing like that, at a time we are getting paper 1 and paper 2. So it depend upon us only how we will manage our time. If we can finish the paper 1 before 60 minutes, that is good, we can utilize the time in our subject. So it is totally depend upon us how we will utilize this 3 hour or 180 minutes according to our paper 1 and 2. And the application form also came in NTA UGC NET. You will go to that website, means you will find the form, you can fill it from now only. February 2nd to 2nd March form will be there. 3rd March why I wrote, suppose money is not there with you, you can make your form fill up in the 2nd March, but if you will get the money in the 3rd March, you can payment on the 3rd March. But what is the form is there, it is still 2nd March. But my suggestion is that don't wait till that. In mid of the Feb only try to fill the form, and in the cool constant mind fill the form. Try to make it each and everything you have to put input on that form, correct information only, that is very important. And what is the photograph, signature, all the things, please do it very carefully. And we can assume if May exam will be there, means admit card tentative it will come in April, and in May last week itself I think we will get the answer key, and June and July we will get our result. Get it? This time it will be very good, very short time period, we will give our great effort and we will get the result. And as like before, paper 1 and paper 2, paper 1 100 marks 50 question, paper 2 200 marks under 20 question. Paper 1 will come from different near to be 10 concept at their question will come. And my suggestion is there, if you saw the previous question paper, then maximum question came from research. So try to first finish the research part, then higher education part, which is very important, communication part also don't leave, then teaching aptitude. All other things I think your common sense is there, you will do it. Logical reasoning, yeah, very important is a logical reasoning part also, that anuman, pratyaksha, all such things, all the time questions are coming from that side. So don't miss all these things, fast just try to clear all such things, because teaching aptitude you will see that you can put your general knowledge, but logical reasoning and all you have to know what is the information, remembrance part is very important. So please try to cover up these things. Reading apprehension you can, English and all you can write, math and mathematical reasoning that you can do, but all such things, research, teaching aptitude, that communication part, higher education part, you have to read and remember lots of information. Basically research and logical reasoning, give more importance to that. And paper 2 it's depend upon how you prepare. If microfinance means go for micro first, what is difficult part for you, you just first clear that one only. And now if you will come for age, means for UGC NET, so many students are confused and asked, ma'am, what about the age, we are not getting the clarity. Thing is that for UGC NET means associate professor, there is no age limit, they can give net till their 70 80 years age also, whatever. But for the JRF, junior research fellowship, you should know that for the general candidate it will be 30 years only. SC, ST, OBC, minor, women who are pursuing LLM, who have any research that experience, neither the people who serve the arm, from them only 5 year relaxation will be there, and that is 30 plus. If when we are filling the form, it will 30 plus also. I think 30 plus it will come in an average, but you just take it as 30. Before that you have to get your JRF. And SC, ST, OBC minor, for them 5 year relaxation, which will be 35 to 36. It depend upon the calculation of the year from the birth date. And fees will come means it will be general 1000 rupees. How I can write 100 rupees? No way. General people will give more fee and they have to score more marks. And SC, ST, OBC, transgender, you have to see that. OBC, non-creamy layer, EWS, for them only it is 500 rupees. SC, ST, transgender, for them it is 250 rupees. But you should remember, you don't think that we are giving more money means we will score less mark, less percentage, and we will clear the net. That is totally opposite, vice versa. Get it? And finally I will tell best of luck for NTA UGC NET. In our hand, if you will tell whole and tell, it is February only. February, March, April. February, March, April. Almost 3 months is there. In the 3 month fast, we will start with paper 1. It will be better for us. First 15 days we can read paper 1. Then we can come to our subject. Simultaneously 1 hour every day we should give paper 1. We should not neglect that one if you want JRF. So you just take the strength that from now onwards you have to give your entire life, thought, dedication, work for UGC NET only. Then you can click it. Just to stop roaming with the friends, chit chatting, that mobile game, different type of serials. Just for 3 months only. 3 months, if you will give your entire effort, you will get UGC NET. After that you can do everything whatever you want. Okay. This is for today. Thank you, student. I hope you will start with full effort, and this time mustly you will click UGC NET, NTA UGC NET 2020-21 and message me, ma'am, I got it. That will be really a very good hour for me. Bye students. Once again, all the best. Set your timetable and run till that time period where you will achieve the post, check post, that is JRF or UGC NET qualified, ma'am. Okay. Thank you.